Good afternoon, Algebros. It's Mr. Jeffries here again, 5th period. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe at the bell. We have our last review for our test tomorrow, and this is when everybody really starts paying attention. So, remember that it's written like this. B to the x, and when b is greater than 1, it's growth. And when b is between 0 and 1, it's decay. Alright, so this is a 4, it's greater than 1, so this is growth. This is a 0.2, this would be decay. Alright, so that, let's see, this right here is probably what I would write if that is the wrong thing I'm looking for. There we go. That's more better. Yep. So that in the orange box, that's probably what I would write on my orange sheet. Okay. To have that, if you hadn't had it already, it's on most of our notes. It's notes from Friday too. I know people are like, hey, what's here Friday? Well, you know, you can look online. Alright, so alright, this stuff that I have on my screen is not on your screen, but it doesn't matter. This is actually what you should still be doing per each problem. So you invest this much, say for college, so that is our P. Okay, our R. Now, you know, you could do 6.5 divided by 100, or you could actually, you know, just move the decimal place over. 6.5. Our N is our times. So semi-annually, this would be 2, and then T would be 10. So if I'm plugging this in, 1 plus 0.065 over 2 times 10. Now, this is a calculator problem. 1, 2, 5, 0, parentheses, 1 plus n over d, 0.065 over 2, 6. Raise the roof to 2 times. Yeah. Alright, so 2, 3, 6, 9, 7, 9, 7. So 2, 3, 6, 9, 7, 9, 7. Alright, because this is money and we're going to round to the nearest cent, we look at this one. Okay? So you know, it's very difficult to see which problem we're on.
Oh, I got the wrong paper, I think.
Alright, our principal is still this. Alright, our interest is actually this, and our time is still 10 years. So 1250 0.08 times 10 2781. That's 926 278 Hey guys, do y'all want your orange sheet tomorrow?
Yes, I prefer it.
Good. Then I also prefer you to quit talking while I'm teaching. 3. Okay, so which option, you know, this should not be a difficult question. If you can't do this problem, then you're probably in the wrong class. Which one's bigger, this one or that one? Well, so All right, so that's how you would do part 2, numbers 3 through 5. Now, things that I would probably put on my orange sheet, you know, you might want to put something like this, or I don't know. The formulas are there, so you know. What did I get to? Semi-annual. What?
Yeah.
All right. All right. It's this number to this power is this number. It's this number to this power is this number. All right. This is the reverse, so this would be log of 7, 343 equals 3. Log 5, 1 over 125 equals negative 3. Okay. I don't know what you would have to do to, I mean, you probably put examples or something else. I mean, how you could do this one in your orange sheet. All right, are we good with 6 through 9? Okay. All right, so part 5. All right, so 2 to what power? It's 32. Well, I would just start plugging stuff in. 2 squared is 4. 2 to the third is this. 2 to the fourth is this. Okay. All right, so this would be 5. Now, on this one, it's a fraction, so it's going to be a negative. Well, 6 squared is this. So, we know that 6 to the third is 216, so this would just be negative 3. All right. It says round to 3 decimal places. That means we look to 4. Log this 8. So 903. So 0.030. Well, this right here tells us that we don't do anything, which is like some of my other students. 1.6094. All right. Also, if you're still confused about rounding, you may want to put some examples, may want to put exactly what to do. You may also want to put on part 2 that you're going to round to the nearest cent, which is 2 decimal places. Okay. All right. So, I messed up on number 14. And I don't know why it goes 14 to 20.
I didn't even realize that.
Okay. Well, Remember, if this is divide, it's the same thing as subtract. So log 5x should go here, y should go here. Alright? This multiply is the same thing as add. Alright, this is actually what you should have. I will double check for our stuff for tomorrow to make sure that it's written correctly. It's basically the same color. Alright. Because we have this letter out front, it becomes like this. Alright. Because this is... Please quit trying to make noise. I mean... Y'all are... Alright, so that's part 7. Alright, and then, yeah, apparently all those numbers just disappeared. So, log, big number for log of little number. So that means log of 8 over log of 3. Calculator problem. $1.8927. So this means 1.893. So 0.898. All right, and that's it. So just tomorrow, all that kind of stuff, good things. Roll Tide.